In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Underground Prepper account. This is a serious and irreversible action, so the app walks you through multiple confirmation steps to make sure it's intentional. Before proceeding, we recommend either exporting your inventory as a .csv file or printing your inventory reports so you have a record of your data. This process is the same whether you're on desktop or mobile. The steps are identical across all platforms. To delete your account, click Settings, then the Account tab, and select Delete Account from the left menu. The page clearly warns you what this action does. It will cancel your subscription, delete all members and users, including yourself, and wipe your entire inventory. This is irreversible. Proceed, click Delete Account. The app will ask you to confirm once more, laying out exactly what will happen. Your subscription will be canceled, all members will be removed, and your entire inventory will be deleted. Click to move to the final step. This is the last chance to change your mind. To confirm, you must type delete / followed by your account email address exactly as shown. This prevents accidental deletion. Once you've typed the confirmation text, click Delete Account. Your account, subscription, members, and all inventory data will be permanently removed and you'll be returned to the home page. There is no way to recover this data after deletion, so make absolutely sure before you proceed.